Hey friends, today we'll learn how to change Facebook profile picture without notifying anyone. For that, first of all, open Facebook app. Click on three horizontal lines in the upper corner. Then click on see your profile. Click on camera icon. Click on select profile picture. Select a profile picture you want to upload. Then click on crop. Set your profile picture. After setting your profile, simply click on done. Then disable share your updates to newsfeed. After that, simply click on save. And you will see that you successfully change your profile picture without notifying others, and there is no photo shown your profile. If you like our video, please subscribe.